Here's a little video about how to deal with these GTD wireless microphones. First of all, the buttons. There are two buttons, on and off. That's the left one here. And then set, which is the right one. If you push both buttons simultaneously, it will lock. A little lock sign. I don't think you can see it there, but it shows a lock. Will make it impossible to turn off or on or mute. And then if you unlock it with also two buttons, you can, it's probably the better way to leave it because you can mute it if you want to. Okay, the right button, which is set, is only used by the techies for setting the frequency. The left button is used to turn the mic on and off via a long press. Okay, it's on now, so I'll press it long and then it'll turn off. And I'll press it long again and it'll turn on. If you just press it short, it mutes the microphone. So now you see an amber light, which means it's muted. And I press again short and it's got a green light. The green light's very hard to see outdoors. Okay, that's about it for the buttons. Next is the batteries. The battery strength indicator, which I don't think you can see. Anyway, there's 1, 2, or 3 bars. This one happens to be showing 3 bars, but it's recommended that you change the batteries when the indicator gets down to 1 bar. A fresh pair of AA batteries should last about 2 full rehearsals, although I'm not promising anything. The mic is using the battery anytime it's turned on. That means even at break time, it's sucking on the battery. I guess optionally you can turn it off. Just make sure you turn it back on again. And it will be up to the individual to carry spare, fresh batteries, AA's. Probably keep them with the mic. Wherever you have your mic, keep some batteries. Okay, now this is the harder, maybe new part. To change the batteries, turn the mic off. Long press on the left button. Okay, it's off. Unscrew the bottom cover. Then you flip the battery cover open, prying from the top since it hinges at the bottom. So it's unsnapped. And then you pry out the batteries, which is kind of tricky if you have a thumbnail or something. Okay, that one came. Here's the next one. And then replace them, observing the correct plus-minus polarity. And it's, you have to push them into place firmly. Oops. Okay, like that. And here's another one. And then you can snap the battery cover closed. That proves they're back in place, and then you screw the cover back on. And we'll turn it back on momentarily, just, oops, long press. And, oh yes, 3 bars, we're all done. So I'm turning it back off again. And that's it. Hope that helps.